Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. This is the Tech News Update, and we are Tuesday, August the 21st, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, Microsoft is finally merging Office 365 in Microsoft 365. It will create a centralized place where everything subscription will be basically easier to manage, easier to access, but it doesn't change any aspects of what the products are. Once again, I saw some posts of people saying, well, that's the first step in Windows being a subscription for consumers. No, it will never happen. This is really for the business only oriented website. And we have official dates finally of Windows 8.1 and on PC and mobile, where the Windows Store will be killed. So if you're on mobile, if you have a Windows phone and it's still running Windows 8.1, hurry up if you can upgrade your device to Windows 10 for a very simple reason. In July 1st of 2019, you will actually stop getting app updates. This means that the store will shut down. This means that the app necessary for your phone to upgrade to Windows 10 will disappear. So you got until July 1st of next year to upgrade your phone. October this year is the last time where someone can submit an app for Windows Phone. If you're on a PC, no worries, that is a very, very far date. Many websites are kind of saying, hey, you know, Windows 8.1 is dying. No, on the PC side, app updates are going until July 1st, 2023, which will be the year where Windows 8.1 is supposed to die anyways. A PlayStation 5, according to analysts, it might be possible that the PlayStation 5 console make its debut in late 2019. According to the CEO of PlayStation or Sony PlayStation division, the PlayStation 4 is in the last phase of its life cycle. It seems that the biggest problems with the next console would be the parts. Apparently there is a shortage of monolithic capacitors, and the reason why, 5G is using them and needs them a lot, so it's creating a lot of pressure on the demand, which means the PlayStation 5 might actually start with a lot of difficulty in getting enough consoles out for everyone. Well, one of the biggest fears and problems that is rising right now is the employees that are technologically unemployed. These are tech employees that do have some knowledge but aren't updating themselves. They're not doing what we call an upskill, meaning that they're not learning new tech. And so these are slowly getting into unemployment because they simply don't have the skill for today's technology. Just shows you that if you work in tech, you gotta stay up to date all the time. Apple will be launching new MacBooks, MacBook Air, a Mac Mini, new iPhones and iPad Pros later this year. This is what we're learning, probably somewhere in October, which is usually the time frame. So of course, that's going to be interesting to see what they are launching. NVIDIA has finally announced its new line of Turing graphics cards, including the pricey GeForce RTX 2080 GPU, which promises to be much more powerful than the last generation of graphics adapters. We were kind of waiting for that. It's been a while since the refresh of all the graphics adapters, and of course, gamers rejoice. Facebook and the FBI are in a secret fight, and this is interesting. We didn't know, but for the past few weeks, Facebook and the FBI are in court fighting it because, and this was revealed by Reuters, which involved a case where an encrypted voice calls, and the FBI wants to actually tap into the encrypted voice calls of Facebook Messenger, and because they want to actually get a little bit of communications from a group called MS-13, which is a gang in Fresno, California. The legal result is almost unpredictable because the way that they are actually going to court, we're not really sure what's going to happen with that. Microsoft has seized 6 Russian websites that were spoofing US conservative groups. The digital security group from the company has seized the sites and were operated by a well-known Russian group that we've mentioned a few times here called Fancy Bear. Of course, all in trying to meddle once again with US elections. Facebook is rolling out a score for users. Yep, you will have a score depending on the amount of fake news that you either upvote, that you either thumbs up, that you either share, and this will actually have a score that will show how trustworthy you are depending on all the information you share and all the amount of fake versus good news that you do share. And basically this is all in trying to help out in actually knowing what's fake and what's not. Well, Attorney General representing 22 states have showed up in federal court. They are asking that net neutrality be reinstated, and the reason why, they say that the FCC failed to explain how some markets with almost no competition will have it better without it, but also they say that public safety is at stake, because without net neutrality, some might be left without any way of communicating in emergency times. And finally, 70% of employees from the big tech giants, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, Apple, and many more, say that just having a job interview already gave them a good idea of what the culture was at these companies. They said that just by the job interview, the questions asked, they knew they were going into a specific and a very different world of work. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, August the 21st, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.